All are heading for the sunlit shallows. Here, the water is 5 degrees warmer than in the lake's depths, and that will speed their transformation into toads. But when night falls, they head back to the safety of the deep. Until the next morning. Sun, swim, feed, repeat. It seems perfect. Except others take advantage of their daily routine. Dragonfly larvae. They are ambush predators with extendable jaws, and they have voracious appetites. Blind leeches patrol the muddy bottom. Once they catch something, they suck out its blood. Until, after a few weeks, they start to look like tiny toads. Now they stop their daily routines and prepare for their journey into the forest. Garter snakes specialize in eating amphibians, though they rarely have as much choice as this. Eventually, the sheer numbers of young toads overwhelm the snakes. The survivors spread out into the forest, where they'll spend the next 4 years, until it's time for them to head back to the lake to breed